Hi guys, here 6 plus 3 power 2 is 9 times in bracket 4 divided by 2 times 5 minus 1. Here 6 plus 9 is 15 bracket 4 divided by 2 times 5 minus 1. Here 15 times this is 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 5 minus 1. Here 15 times 2 is 30 times 5 minus 1. Here 30 times 5 is 150 minus 1. Here 150 minus 1 is 149 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 149 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this pandas rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. Here as per this order of operations pandas, the bracket is higher priority. Here as per this order of operations pandas, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 6 plus 3 power 2. Here bracket is 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 5 minus 1. Here next priority exponent. Here we have exponent here is 3 power 2. We have to do this 3 power 2 before any other operation. So 6 plus 3 power 2 is 9 times 2 times 5 minus 1. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. We have here multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 6 plus here 9 times 2 is 18 times 5 minus 1. Here we have addition and multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 6 plus here 18 times 5 is 90 minus 1. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 6 plus 90. 6 plus 90 is 96 minus 1. Here 96 minus is 95 is the correct answer.